welcome to I did something really stupid today. Stick around. So normally after I wash the basket and the pan, I stick them in the thingy here to let it dry, and I don't snap the cover on just so there's more air to let it dry. And when I pick it up, I usually shake it and it pops on, and I grab it and I turn it and I bring it to the stove. Well, it didn't latch this time because I wasn't paying enough attention. So it fell on the ground and busted all across the bottom. Very, very unfortunate. And more pieces are still popping off and breaking. So push this in, nothing happens because it broke all the little doohickeys that tell it to work. Luckily, I an extra pan, and now all is well in the world again. Unfortunately, the biggest thing with GoWISE, you used to be able to get the pan, the basket, and the handle for $25. Shipped too, I think. Now it's $52. Shame on you, GoWISE. I realize that they have new models out and parts are in low supply, but that's half the price of a new unit when I can get a nice new one for $110. Granted, it's twice as much, but But anyway, now I have a new one. I gotta wash the bottom pan, I mean. So I didn't have the heart to make my roasted chicken and potatoes tonight, so I resorted to some frozen taquitos. Well, I guess it's still possibly better than going out and spending $10 on lunch, or having to buy an entirely new air fryer for 110 plus bucks. Don't forget to unplug the air fryer, folks. Guess I'll eat one. Not like I pick them, but it'll have to do. So unfortunately, those are the brakes. I broke it. Wasn't the fault of the equipment. I just wasn't paying attention. But as you can see, I'm back up and running, making myself a little bit of a lunch. So just tells you, got to be careful, especially now that this is not a current model. It's going to cost more for replacement parts. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, folks.